My sister, thanks to this home remedy for the face, looks 8 years younger. Every woman looks for the way to take care of their face in the best way. For that they make use of a great quantity of products for the beauty. But these work more effectively if you also take care of avoiding vices like alcohol, cigars, not expose much to the sun, among many things. That's why there is nothing better than the natural, so let's share with you a recipe with which you'll be able to make a cleansing cream for your face. It contains natural ingredients that are very efficient for your skin. The processing time is very short, so you have no excuse for not having the face you always dreamed of. Start doing it today. When you attach baking soda with rosehip oil, you get a very beneficial cream for your skin, which you can not only use on the face. Baking soda is often used in cooking, cleaning and as a deodorant. When we produce cleaning products with baking soda, we know that we will get a very effective product. In the same way it is applied to the skin, and you get wonderful results, especially in acne treatments. Rosehip oil moisturizes, protects and contains antibacterial properties. It eliminates skin blemishes and reduces the hardness of baking soda, so it becomes a blend suitable for sensitive skin. For best results, use virgin olive oil, but rosehip oil is also a good choice. Another thing, in order for your face to be radiant always, you need to eliminate everything that hinders your free breathing like makeup, dust and pollution. Never go to bed without cleaning your face. If you sleep with the makeup, your skin will absorb any impurity.